Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To pop the hood, we're going to grab this little handle right here, right next to your footrest. To release the hood, we're going to slide this little lock to the right. Prop rod is right here. Pull up on that. And there's two spots. You can either put it right there, or if you can't reach that spot, you can put it right here. We're going to take these 9 push pins out on this upper cover. Use a flat blade screwdriver. Just pry up on the center, and then the rest of the clip will pop out. Sometimes they come out easy, sometimes it's a struggle. This one, the center came out, which is okay. Now we're going to move this air intake, and then we can pull up on this panel. Now we can put this cover back on. Line that up. Oh, we're going to line this air intake up. Push pins, stick those in, push them down, lock them down. Okay, now we're going to close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.